Hello everyone, welcome back to your hub. From the request of a few of my audience, I'll be uploading the videos regarding aerodynamics, and I'll be dividing this entire subject of aerodynamics into two parts. First one is regarding low speed aerodynamics, and second lecture series will be regarding the high speed aerodynamics or gas dynamics. And in this lecture, we'll be discussing the introduction part about this course. And this course is having certain requirement. You have to be aware about the basics of fluid mechanics, and there should be the awareness about vector algebra and linear algebra to understand the concept in aerodynamics. And this entire course will be targeting to students who are pursuing their BE Tech in aeronautical or aerospace engineering, as well as those who are pursuing the masters in same aeronautical aerospace, and those who are preparing for gate examination also. You can refer my videos, and I'll be solving the problems regarding aerodynamics while we are discussing the concept. And this is the entire course layout. I am dividing this entire low speed aerodynamics into 5 modules. Module 1 will be covering the basic review of fluid mechanics, that covers the types of fluid flow, then momentum equation, energy equation, then continuity equation regarding streamline, stream tube. Module 2 will be regarding the elementary flows, uniform flow, source flow, sink flow, then doublet flow. These are flow over a non-lifting flow over a cylinder. Then module 3 will be mainly focusing on Kutta-Joukowski theory, that is lifting flow over a cylinder, and also the Kutta condition. And module 4 will be dealing with the Kelvin circulation theorem and thin airfoil theory. These are very important theories, module 3 and module 4. And module 5 will be discussing about the lift-in line theory. So these are the things we'll be discussing in the upcoming lectures. Try to share my videos to most of the aerospace students and aeronautical students. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening. Take care.